How to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To turn off the two-factor authentication in Facebook, you can head over and tap on your Facebook application. Make sure your Facebook is up to date and you are logged in. In the top right corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. You need to tap on this given option. From here, scroll down and select on Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Settings option. Scroll down again until you see the option of Security. If you have an up-to-date app, check out the Meta Account Center. From there, under Account Settings, you will see Password and Security. Click on this given option. Then, under Login and Recovery, you will see two-factor authentication. Click on this given option. Select on your account. Now to turn off the two-factor authentication, go ahead and re-enter your password for confirmation and verification. Then click on the Continue button. Once you are verified, the two-factor authentication in Facebook will be turned off. You have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.